What's up, people? I'm doing my little regular 2-mile jog that I do over by my park, and they got this little drive-through COVID testing spots. You know, y'all seen them all over the city where you just go up to the testing site to see if you got COVID when they put the little swab up your nose. There you go. Y'all seen them before. The little car pulls up. You've seen the little testing sites. This is crazy though, because I just saw on CNN the other day that China is anal swabbing now. They actually putting the swab up your ass because they say it's more accurate testing for the COVID-19. But I thought it was only in China. I can't believe they doing that shit here now. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see.
Bye. I'll call you back.
Wait, hold up. Did he just tell her to? Yo, it is not that serious. This is crazy. And here comes another car. Yo, I never in a million years thought they'd be doing this in America. I thought it was only China. This is, oh, look at his big, he can't even get his, oh no. Come on now, y'all. I can't believe this. Oh, he can't even get his big ass out the, really? Oh, hell no. No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he is the, you know what? I'm sorry. Well, I guess I'm gonna be the next corona casualty, because I ain't sticking my asshole out the window for nobody.